Hi, and welcome to week 2 of the Weekly Essentials Shoutout. My name is Glenda Robertson, and I'm the Manager of Instructional Design and Curricular Evaluation for the College of Nursing.
For this week's shout out, we're going to look at the following topics: our curricular framework here at the college, our program outcomes for all of our degree programs, the course design maps that we have for our courses, as well as our curricular alignment spreadsheets. Now, this is meant to be an overview, so we won't spend a ton of time on each topic, more just to kind of refresh or become familiar with all of the resources we have at the college that'll help us with our essentials work. First up is our curricular framework. Each curriculum at the College of Nursing is built upon this framework. This framework helps us make sure that we have all the right components at the right level and that we have transparency so that way we know what we're doing, how we're doing, and why we're doing it to support student learning in the areas of knowledge, skills, and value acquisition. An important part of our curricular framework are our degree program outcomes. In 2016 through 2018, college faculty and staff worked together to design these program outcomes to not only reflect excellence in student achievement related to their degree, but also to intentionally build one program outcome and lead to the next program outcome along the foundation of curricular themes. All of this helps us not only intentionally design our courses to align these, but also allow us to target these outcomes, gather data, and to know how our students are performing so that way we can continue to provide excellence in the teaching and learning environment. Course design maps help our faculty intentionally design student-focused learning experiences that are not only authentic to task, but are also built so one week helps prepare the student for the next. When we first started working on course maps, we used a concept map software to really show the relationship of the learning experience and how everything flows together week by week, how summative assignments align to course outcomes, and how the course aligns to relevant degree program outcomes. Our current course design maps build upon that and add increasing levels of transparency on how the student learning outcomes align to the program outcomes, how simulation and education technology align and support course activities that are both formative and summative in nature, and to specifically list the concepts that speak towards diversity, equity, and inclusion that are covered within the course. Finally, at the College of Nursing, we have curricular alignment spreadsheets for each pathway within each degree program that not only capture the macro alignments we saw earlier, but also show micro alignments such as competencies that we already have built within the curriculum and how they support not only the curricula, but each course as well. This spreadsheet, while it is specific to our traditional pathway within our BS program, is representative of the spreadsheet that exists for every pathway, every specialty, in all of our degree programs. The tab at the bottom is shown how the program outcomes is aligned to the current essentials, how they're aligned to the campus mission and vision, the college mission and vision, how the program outcomes show up within each of the courses as per their course outcome alignment, how we have leveled and scaffolded the course outcomes across the curricula, as well as current competency alignment within the curriculum. I hope this video provided a nice refresher or introduction to many of the resources that we have here at the college that'll be helpful as we move towards integration of the updated essentials. Now, as a new feature for these weekly shoutouts, we're going to have faculty provide perspective. So, without further ado, I turn it over to my colleague, Dr. Kim Paxton.
Hi, Dr. Kim Paxton here, sharing with you some tips for navigating the essentials that we're going to be engaging in using and developing in the next few short weeks. It's just like hiking here in Colorado. We prepare for it by reviewing the essentials, reading the domains, exploring how they fit with us here at the University of Colorado. Then we begin using them to help develop our courses. But the essentials are the guide. We're familiar with it already. They're broad for a reason. They're allowing us to be intuitive and be innovative and design well with them to fit our needs. They help us to scaffold, to build that information into our courses so that it is logical and makes sense for our students. And it helps us to create that map of our programs, easy for others to follow, and it helps prevent course drift, which we know we really want to avoid. Remember that this is a journey.